In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a beginner campaign in Wrike and create a new non-billable item from start to finish. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the beginner campaign area. You can usually find this in the left-hand navigation under the relevant space for your team or department. Open the beginner campaign folder so that you're looking at the main table or list view for that campaign. On this screen, you'll see a series of columns and rows for tasks or projects. I'll be drawing your attention to a series of highlights on the screen. Whenever I say click on the highlight, just follow the visual cue you see in the video. These highlights will guide you to the exact fields and buttons you need to use. Begin by clicking on the first highlighted area in the table. This is typically where you either create a new item or select an existing row that you want to adjust. Once that's selected, click on the next highlighted area. This moves you into the specific details for that item and may open a side panel or inline editing option. Continue following the highlighted prompts. Each click is taking you deeper into the settings that control how this piece of work is tracked. When you see the highlight over the field related to billing type or work type, click it to open the options. Now, look for the option labeled non-billable and click on it. This is an important step, as it tells Wrike that the time or effort logged on this item should not be charged to a client. Setting this correctly helps keep your reporting accurate and avoids confusion later on. After you've set the item to non-billable, continue clicking the highlighted areas that appear on screen. These may include additional settings such as scheduling, assignments, or other attributes relevant to your beginner campaign. Take a moment with each field so you understand what you're changing before you move on. Next, you'll see a highlighted area where you can type. Click into that field and type in the name or description that you want to give this new non-billable item. Choose something clear and specific so that your teammates immediately recognize what it's for. Once you've entered the necessary information, follow the remaining highlighted clicks to review your choices. When everything looks correct, move down to the final highlighted button labeled Create and click on it. That saves your changes and adds the new non-billable item to your beginner campaign in Wrike.